Companies sometimes ask me, how can they increase reliability without hiring an army of engineers? It's clear that people like AWS have cracked the code on it, but on balance across the industry, there are a lot of people just sitting on reliability. And it's a really good question because you'll never get the headcount to hire people at the same rate that your fleet's growing. And you know what? Even if you did, it's really hard to hire SREs right now. There are about as many job openings on LinkedIn for SREs as there are for developers, even though there are 40 times more developers out there. And they also leave really quickly, 18 months on average. So it's not just about getting them, it's about keeping them or replacing them when they leave. And so it's a huge challenge. So the only real solution to this stuff is to be able to bend the curve and need fewer people to manage larger and larger scale infrastructure. I started Shoreline to solve exactly this problem. We do three things. First, we make it easy to automate issues away, reducing the toil due to mundane, commonplace issues. People shouldn't wake up at night for a filling disk. They shouldn't do things that the machine can do. Second, we make it possible to safely expand the group of people who can fix things without escalation. So you can bring in your support team, you can bring in your dev team rather than having to hire experts in SRE. You'll still need experts, but you will have not as many of them, and they won't be on every single issue. So the way we do that is we deliver Jupyter-like notebooks that populate with diagnostic information as soon as an incident occurs and provide the recipe to fix things. They're executable, so people are motivated to keep them up to date, unlike static wikis, which always become stale. Third, we make debugging a fleet similar in time to debugging an individual node by enabling parallel distributed execution. This tech actually underpins everything we do. We make it easy to ask questions like, are any unexpected processes running on my nodes? Or are the configurations what I expect, or have some of them drifted away? Those are things that are easy to solve on an individual node, but once you get out to 100 or 1,000, it gets pretty challenging. It's a distributed systems problem. At core, this is all about making people more productive. Stop doing work that the machine can do for you, spread the load across more people, and debug in constant time, not in time proportional to your fleet size. That's how you can bend the curve.